So with all these different options, how would you choose which scanner works best for you?
So when you're choosing your scanner, it's all about thinking about where you're scanning. You know, the environment in which you're scanning is a huge factor. So for example, we talked about stationary versus mobile. So are you in a warehouse? Are you on your feet a lot?
Yeah.
Are you scanning on the go? Like obviously, if you're doing if you're on the move and you're scanning in a large warehouse and you need that mobility, you're going to want to look into something that has the mobility. So something that's wireless is key for those situations, right? On the flip side, if you are just doing all of your scanning in a central location, like maybe you have a small e-commerce shop or something and you do all you're picking in a very small little warehouse or storage space and you're bringing it all to a station and then you're scanning it all there all together, then in that case, you can absolutely get by with a cheaper option and just getting a wired USB scanner, right? So it's all about the environment in which you're scanning and how you're going to kind of be using the scanner. But another big thing to keep in mind is not just kind of the environment, but also how many barcodes you're scanning,
That's
right?
true.
Because if you're scanning, say for example, if you're moving around a lot, so you need something that's mobile, so you're like, hey, I'll just use my smartphone, for example, right? It's free. I have one already. May as well try it out, right? And that'll be fine if you're only scanning like 3, 4, 5 barcodes a day. It's not going to be really eat into your time too much. But if you're going around, you're scanning hundreds of barcodes a day. Every like I said, our SmartScanner scans twice as fast. So if you're scanning 100 barcodes, that's double the amount of time it would take to scan those 100 barcodes. That adds up quick, right? So it's all about the environment in which you're scanning in, but also how many barcodes you're scanning in a day.
You don't want to do and then wait
Exactly. Your employees are just gonna be sitting there
you're paying them to sit.
Paying them to sit more than scan, which you don't want that.